Morning, Mr. President.
Morning.
Gusto ko lang po malaman, ano po yung significance nung ginawa nating groundbreaking po kanina sa Obelisk and why Naga City po?
Masyado tayo masikip dito.
Yung Naga has been at the forefront of the struggle during the dictatorship. Number one. Number two, the significance of this. Pero, his name's ano eh. I'm not mistaken, George Santayana is the guy who wrote a line that says something like, those who forget the mistakes of the past are condemned to repeat it. So, you have this obelisk. It reminds us of where we came from. Sa Tagalog, meron yung version, di ba? Yung hindi lumingon sa pinanggalingan, di makakarating sa Panginoon. May dark period tayo ng martial law na kailangan ng sobrang sakripisyo, may nagbuhos ng dugo at saka ng buhay, nagbuhos ng buhay para makamta natin kailangan tinatamasan natin. Ngayon, pag meron tayong marker, yung obelisk nga kanina, pinapaalala yung pinanggalingan natin. At parang sinasabi sa lahat na nandito na tumatamasa na kalayaan, hindi ito nakamtan na ganun-ganun lang. Obligado tayong iayos yung ating pulipunan, maging kapakipakinabang sa demokrasya sa lahat para man po hindi mangailangan ng sakripisyo tulad na nangyari noong 25 years ago and before that.
Thank you po, Mr. President. Yung ano po kanina in-announce nyo ito po sa 20,000 housing projects for military and policemen. Kailan how soon will this be built at saka magkano po yung funding na
Yung funding will be about 3.7 billion pesos. Kailan ba umpisahan to? We've been working on this for close to a month na yata. Yung general scope of it, yung details, final details na lang tinatapos. Specifically, ikakalat ba natin to in several areas? Or pwede bang gawin natin na isang lugar muna sa Luzon? No? So, how soon will it happen? By the time we release the funds, and I expect by next month we can release the funds, no? It will take about 6 to 8 months for the first families to start moving into their houses. At saka hindi house lang, no? Siyempre, pag house talaga, community itatayo doon. The houses, the roads, the parks, yung health center, schools. Tapos, inaasahan natin mag-i-induce ng increased economic activity sa mga lugar na yan, no? Yung magtatayo ng palengke, at iba-iba pa, sari-sari store, baka may grocery, baka may fast food outlet. Dahil, we'll start initially with Luzon, pero eventually, siyempre, meron rin Visayas at Mindanao. And this target sector is about mga 120 to 140,000 families. So, but this year, the target is minimum 20,000.
Good morning, Mr. President. Gerard de la Peña from TV5. Sir, nagpasa na po ang Philippine Airlines ng financial statements nila sa SEC at sa Palasyo. Ngayon po, ano po yung view ninyo dito? Are you likely to reverse the ruling of Secretary Baldos regarding the conflict with the employee union?
The executive secretary is the one actually handling it at this point in time. And what we are targeting is that parang we bring them back to a level of cooperation rather than confrontation. Tapos marami naman talagang problema po yung industry. And of course, you want to safeguard the workers at the same time. So, we've been sponsoring, hindi man dialogue, we talk to each party in turn para to get them closer and closer to an agreement that both can live with. And we haven't given up on our efforts to get them to agree, no, on various topics that have already caused dissension amongst the two groups. No, pero that is not yet finished.
Good morning, Mr. President. I'm Riza Mastarpo from ABS-CBN, TVP Bicol. If Ninoy and Cory Aquino were alive, can you say that they will be proud of what you're doing right now in the Philippines as the President of the country?
Nahirapan ako sumagot yan dahil parang pinupuri ko sarili ko. No? But ang dami ho natin pwede yung sabihin. For instance, no? Tingnan ninyo, in-announce ko ako nila sa Kapulisan at Kasanduluan, minimum 120,000 families, probably 140,000 families. Ang estimate is between 60 to 70% wala hong tiyak na tahanan. And hindi naman ho kahapon lang sila walang tiyak na tirahan. Matagal-tagal na po. Yung pinalitan ko po, 9.5 years na nungkulan eh. Hindi ho naisagawa yan. But in our 8 months, we already have the funds necessary to build the 20,000 units in this first year, no? In this first complete year. And we can even probably add to that number. Okay. Tingnan po niyo dito, yung sumanalta sa atin na walang humpay na ulan. No? Palagay ko po, ang national government, sa pakipagtulungan sa ating mga LGUs, talaga napansin naman po niyo, walang umalma, walang nagreklamo sa ating mga kababayan na hindi sila inasikaso. Eh, hindi naman ho pwede mangyari yan na kung hindi natin pinaghandaan. Nandun na rin po yung galing ng Pag-asa na naituro sa atin kung saan ang problema. Huwag niyo kalimutan yung ulan. Umikot-ikot ng Bicol, Southern Leyte, Caraga, tapos balik na naman. Yeah? Hindi, over 40 days ka araw, hindi tayo nagkulang dyan. Siguro, yung meron pa tayong kailangan i-fine-tune dahil sa global warming. Yung hulo, hindi traditional na binabaha, bigla nagkaroon ng baha. Doon po, parang dapat dinadagdagan natin ngayon sila ng capabilities, no? Para matugunan kung sakasakali magkaroon na naman ng ganong klaseng disaster. Alam niyo yung global warming kasi, for instance, sa Pakistan, noong 20% ng lupain nila binaha, first time raw ho nangyari yun dahil hindi na po nila panahon ng tagulan. Yung Queensland sa Australia, 8 years drought. Nung tumigil yung drought, floods. No? Talagang sobra ho yung extremes. So yun po, no? Yung gobyerno nyo, kumikilos, binabawasan yung paghihirap na ating mga kababayan at yung successful tayo na nababawasan yung casualty dahil nga ho talaga nagtutulong-tulong lahat. So, pagdating naman po sa ekonomiya, no, pinakamalaki raw po yung nilaki na ekonomiya natin last year, 7.3%. This year, baka hindi umabot na gano'n. Siyempre, medyo magulo pa ho yung nangyayari sa Middle East amongst other things. Yun lang is, hindi tayo sigurado kung saan naaabot ang presyo yan. Pero tinataya pong lalaki pa rin ang ekonomiya natin na substantial. Kausap namin yung ADB. Kamakailan, yun rin po ang kanilang analysis. Nakita naman po nyo sa mga pahayagan yung analysis ng mga iba't ibang mga financial institutions na nagsasabing gaganda pa yung halaga o tataas yung halaga ng piso. Pagdating naman po sa peace and order, hindi porket nandito ang ating kalihim. Magsabi kayo ng mga sensational crimes, no? At ordinary crimes na lang, for that matter, na hindi sensationalized, na hindi po nasosolve. At pag sinabi yung solve, hindi ho yung natukoy kung sino salarin. Kadalasan po, nahuli na nyo at nando na po yung kasalukuyan dinidinig ang mga kaso. Hindi po nagiging unsolved crimes. Hahaba ho hahaba to. Palagay ko, alam na ho nyo, mas alam nyo dapat sa akin kung ano nangyayari sa bayan. At ang tatay ko, tanay ko naman yung pinapanood tayo lahat. Hindi ko na ho pupurihin yung sarili ko na lang. Basta masabi ko lang, lahat to ay nangyari dahil nagtutulong-tulong sa bayanan, kanilang gobyerno, makasenso tayo.
Good morning, Mr. President. Charissa Pagtalunan of GMA7 Naga. So, is it possible, sir, na we will be adopting the same project po na nasamulan ng Camarines Sur? And in what way po ba natin pwedeng matulungan yung local government ng Camarines Sur for this project?
Can I answer the last part, no? Meron tayong seedlings after this from the DNR that we will be helping the government of Camarines Sur, LGU, so that they can continue the program. Susundan man namin. There is actually a national greening program. There is something like 8 million hectares na denuded, degraded, at saka talagang nasira na po mga forest natin. So, hinahabol po natin na matamnan as much as possible lahat ito. Ang dami ho kasi ng programa, meron yung tinatawag na disaster risk. No? Malapit na lang matapos yung mapa na 1 to 10,000 scale para lalo mo matukoy saan ba yung mga pinakamapanganib na lugar. Tapos ito po pagtatanim ng puno, isa sa mitigation efforts. So, this is I guess, it would be more precise to say, yung Camarines Sur under LRA, yung parang was the first, no, to implement the National Greening Program. And for that, we thank him. And we hope that this will be duplicated in a lot more areas soon. Okay? Thank you.